Hey, if your power button is not working on the Beats Solo 4 headphones, let me show you how you can try to fix this. But if it doesn't work, there's definitely no chance to do this by yourself, so you will have to take advantage of the warranty or simply send it to some paid service when someone will actually change this physical button. So if it doesn't work when you try to turn it on, I will recommend you to simply click on it and press really hard to try to remove any dust or any mess that probably go inside. So try to do this for like 10 tries, but do this really hard. Of course, just don't break your headphones, but hold it stable and then keep tapping on this button for a few times, just like this. And then you can try to click and hold it gently and take a look if it works. If it doesn't work, you can try to hold it a little bit harder, press on it a little bit harder. And this is the only way that I can actually recommend you to do with this power button. If it doesn't work, just take advantage of the warranty or put it into the service where someone will actually change it. So that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.